We are exploring the Pisgah National Forest of North Carolina today. This national forest is home to countless stunning waterfalls, including Moore Cove Falls and Looking Glass Falls, which supposedly is the most photographed waterfall in the southeastern United States, right off the side of the road there. But what I'm really excited to dive into today is Sliding Rock, a world-famous natural water slide here in Pisgah National Forest, not to be confused with Slide Rock, the slide out in Arizona. Sliding Rock is so crowded that they actually charge a fee during summer season of $5 entry. And there's a handrail to help you walk back up to the top of the slide. I've seen pictures and videos of it getting super crowded in the summertime. However, today, at the tail end of winter, we have it all to ourselves. It's literally like a 5-minute walk from the parking lot, and you are less than 5 minutes, and you're here. And apparently, in the 1960s, they filmed an episode of Lassie here, or part of an episode, but wow, look at this. I am excited. So apparently there's 3 speed zones. That side, the true right we would call that, or from this angle, the left side, is slow, the middle is medium, and then the true left or right side here is the fastest. You can see it drops off, it's real steep. So we're of course gonna have to try all 3, but I'm thinking the sweet spot's gonna be in the fast zone over here. Oh, that's cold. I see. They even have a lifeguard in the summertime here, so popular spot, even for kids. I mean, I don't know, the youngest, but I think certainly around 9 or 10 should be fine. Pretty sweet. One of the longest natural water slides in the world, for sure. 60-foot slide, beautiful. So the water is cold. It's 55 degrees Fahrenheit in the summertime, so it's probably colder than that right now in February. But good thing I'm geared up with a wetsuit. Nobody else out here on this beautiful day. It's 75 degrees, the air temperature, so absolutely stunning day.
Infamous